went from easy to pronounce names. Well, at least it's Premier League. It shouldn't be that terrible.
This is the time of the night we all look forward to, Rob. This is great.
All right.
So again, guys, go out to the GoGTS Live Twitter account, and the tweet to get involved with this box is out there right now. And make sure, again, you are following us, and also retweet it and watch until the end of the show for your chance to win the hits.
All right. So memory serves me correctly, Chris.
Yes, sir.
Is this a first for Select with Premier League? Does it make any mention of that? I can't remember.
No, it's a returning product.
Okay,
yes.
All right. New, but so it's sophomore season, I think, as we like to say.
Yeah, I would say so. It just says it returns. So obviously it was out last year. I'm not sure before that though. Select.
12 packs, 5 cards per pack, 3 autograph or memorabilia cards, plus probably some shininess, huh, Chris?
Yeah, 7 inserts or insert parallels. You get 9 base parallels, which are unnumbered, and then 5 numbered parallels. So lots of goodness involved with this product. Always. And also remember, you get a tiered base set. You get the terrace, the mezzanine, and also the field level in this. And there's 4 different ultra rare limited inserts. You get stained glass, artistic impressions, visionary, and team badges. So there's one of those in every case. So we're talking about case hits here with the ultra rares. Always fun. Also, there's 4 different autograph sets. Select signatures, pitch side signatures, and autographed memorabilia.
Julian Alvarez, rookie.
Oh, that was an easy one. Yeah.
Christopher Azure.
Mm-hmm.
Horizontal action. Kevin De Bruyne.
Yeah, he's a good one. He's one of the better ones in the world.
Kai Havertz.
That's a nice card.
Select stars.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, we got something here already.
Auto for Manchester United, Peter Schmeichel.
Very well done.
Peter Schmeichel.
That's a
pitch side signatures.
Schmeichel. I like it.
It's chunky for just an auto, isn't it?
Right. But you know what? That means it's nice and durable, hopefully.
Well, what are you going to do with it that you need it to be durable?
I don't know. You play soccer with it. I don't know.
Renan Lodi. Ruben Neves. Levi Colwill, rookie. I suppose I should be checking for. I'll go back and look. Hold on.
For what, prisms or different tiers?
Yeah. Red parallel for Arsenal, Gabriel Martinelli.
And the good news with these, and as Rob indicated, is that on the back, it will tell you if it's concourse, I should say, terrace, mezzanine, or field level.
Morgan Gibbs White equalizers. Yeah, so let's go back here through here real quick. So terrace, terrace. Is horizontal
the field level
indicator that those are field levels?
I would think so.
Terrace, mezzanine. Okay, nice mix in the first 2 packs there.
I'm so used to seeing concourse as the,
I know,
number 1 in it, but this being terrace, so it's a little bit different that way.
Michael Olise. Terrace. Trent Alexander-Arnold for Liverpool. Oops, excuse me. And that is a Terrace.
See, the thickness on that, you never know. If it was a little thicker, possibly.
Bobby de Cordova Reed. Mezzanine. And it looks like we got a little bit of a silver here. Harvey Barnes.
Okay.
That's a Terrace.
Yeah.
And then pink parallel, Wilfried Zaha.
Nice.
Ooh, numbered to 99,
99.
Mezzanine.
Very nice.
That's why I don't like flipping the cards on the go either.
Mm-hmm.
Lloyd Kelly, Terrace. Ilkay Gundogan.
Very nice.
Terrace. So this must be a field level.
Yep. Makes sense.
For Newcastle, Alan St. Maximin.
Talk about some small font on that.
Yes.
Wow.
Field level. Select Stars, Jesse Lingard.
Yeah.
Memorabilia for Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Dominic Calvert-Lewin out of Everton.
Nice.
Or as McAllen 333 in the chat says, a kit card.
Kit. Moses Casado. Terrace. Nico Williams. Terrace. Philip Billing. Mezzanine. Yep. They're following a pattern here.
Yeah.
Nathan Collins, red. So that should be numbered to 99. Nope, that's just a different red. So
it's just a true red.
True red.
Mm.
And then Equalizer silver.
Well, that's always nice to get a silver one.
Lucas Paqueta.
So it's a 250 card base set. So, and remember, they're tiered.
Darwin Nunez. Keen Lewis Potter, rookie. Brian Mbeumo.
Mbeumo. Yeah.
Mezzanine. Lucas Digne, silver. Terrace. And Kai
he's a good one.
Havertz.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Number to 135.
Yeah, there you go. You got him on the back. De Bruyne.
Gianluca Scamacca. Aaron Hickey. Field level. James Madison.
Oh, he's a good one. Yeah, James Madison's a good player.
Blue. Matty Cash. Prism. Terrace.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Be a field level.
Yeah.
Kevin De Bruyne.
That's a very good card.
Numbered to 99.
Yeah. He's one of the best ones in the world.
Mikkel Damsgaard. Rookie Bruno Guimaraes. field level, Luis Senstera. Another field level.
The Prism one. Yeah.
Alexander Mitrovic. Prism.
Yeah. They're always nice to get. Oh, that's a cool card.
Unstoppable. Jared Bowen. Is cool.
So remember, the ultra rare case hits in this are stained glass, artistic impressions, visionary, and team badges. See if we can get a case hit.
Dejan Kolovsky. Rookie Rasmus Christensen. Diogo Jota.
Nice.
Raul Jimenez silver.
Ooh, that's nice and
a
funky.
Camo.
Yeah.
Gabriel Jesus.
Oh, that's cool.
Numbered to 225.
That almost looks like it should be numbered lower.
They're liking that one in the chat.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The camo is cool.
I'm just keeping track of the numbered cards here.
Hey, Kevin De Bruyne should be a good one, though. 1 out of 99.
Calum Wilson. Abrichi Eze. Hungmin San.
Yeah.
Mezzanine. Wilfred Ndidi silver. Select Future. Dejed Spence.
Nice.
Prism.
I haven't seen no Holland yet. That's interesting.
Select Future. Marcajinos rookie.
I like the name.
Prism. Rookie. Cheikh Doucouré. Hugo Lloris. Diego Silva.
Yeah. That's some junky. There you go.
Dejeda Spence, rookie.
He was concerned about the room on the sticker.
Yes.
Hmm.
Right in our last pack of Select Premier League. Luis Sinestra, rookie. Kiefer Moore. Kieran Trippier. It's funky. Mark Gould.
Nice.
And Eduardo Mendy, number
Okay.
to 99.
Oh, I like that 99 out of 99. That's always cool.
All right. So what we're
eBay
going to do
101.
is the two autos will be standalones. So
That was the Peter Schmiel and the Dijad Spence.
yes. And then I'll pair the numbered parallels with the Dominic Calvert Luton kit card.
Okay.
So 3 winners.